Hey everyone, it's Renda here. If you're thinking about selling your home in Calgary, one of the biggest questions you're probably asking is, how do I price it right without leaving money on the table? Here's the truth. Pricing your home too high can scare away serious buyers and leave your property sitting on market for weeks. But pricing it too low, that could mean underselling your biggest asset. So how do you find that sweet spot? First, look at recent comparable sale homes in your neighborhood that are similar in size, style, and conditions. This gives you a realistic baseline of what buyers are actually paying. Second, pay attention to Calgary's current market trends. Right now, buyer demand, interest rate, and inventory levels all play a huge role on how fast your property will sell and at what price. Third, highlight what makes your property unique. Do you have a renovated kitchen, a finished basement, or a large lot? This feature can justify pricing slightly above average. Remember, your goal is to attract multiple buyers, not just one. When buyers compete, you win. If you are a homeowner in Calgary and would like a free home evaluation or just a second opinion on your pricing plan, I would love to help. Drop a comment below or send me a quick message. I will get you started. And don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips, whether you're buying, selling, or thinking of going for sale by owner route. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.